So guys, we're here. Nasa Amari na kami, our favorite hotel in Bangkok. And it's very close to everything like I said before. Ayan yung Platinum Mall right there, in the heart of Pratunam. And then lahat na ng mga tindahan and all the restaurants are down there. Kaya okay na okay itong hotel na to guys. If you ever come and visit Thailand, dito kayo mag-check-in kasi as ganda ng hotel and it smells really nice. At saka maganda guys yung ano nila dito, yung buffet nila for breakfast. It's very complete. So Austin's over there and we're gonna go ahead and check in. And then there's the room and the bed. And then, ayan. And there's Austin. Say hi, Austin. Hello. And then, there's like a little chair there. And then, nantay lang namin yung luggage namin, guys. At ito yung view. Ayun. There's like another hotel there. And ayan. So, ayun yung pool, sa baba. Right there. So, we're here. Mag-rest na kami guys and then we're gonna go lalabas kami mamaya. So the room is really spacious and it's very clean and it smells good. Amoy siya lemongrass. So ayan. Sige Austin, rest ka na. Rest na yung birthday boy guys. So ayan guys, we're inside Platinum. This is the mall in front of Amari. Ano siya guys, dito pumupunta yung mga turista to buy yung mga damit na binibenta sa Philippines, yung mga butik-butik. So if you guys love shopping, talaga mag-enjoy kayo sa Thailand kasi ang dami nilang magagandang malls and attractions. And ito, parang let's just say na para tong Green Hills na 10 times better. At mas maganda siya, tsaka mas maraming variety and especially, at saka it's bigger na yung sa Changi ng Green Hills I'm not talking about yung kabuhan ng Green Hills ngayon na parang ginawa na nilang modern. So this is what it looks like guys. Ayan. Anyways, yung mga vlogs ako na nadala ko na kayo dati dito. So tawag dito, ayoko naman matik na ako mahulog. Ayoko naman maging repetitive. So ayan guys. Ayan, kung mahilig kayo sa mga wigs. Ayan, mga wig shop dito. At kung ano-ano pa. We're gonna go ahead and go to the 6th floor. Kasi ang daming restaurant dyan, guys. Ang saya. Austin, medyo kanap. Pagdating namin sa hotel, guys, oh my gosh, yung immigration, grabe. There was like thousands of people sa immigration. Kaya talagang napagod kami ni Austin. Dalawa yung immigration nila, pumulupot. Ang daming tao talaga, grabe. Parang, I don't know kung may event pa sa Thailand ngayon, pero sobrang busy siya ngayon. So, dito naman, mga dresses, t-shirts, 3rd floor. Ayan, no? I think yata mga Indian clothing yan. Kanina, nagpapalit ako ng money, right? Sa money changer, may kalahi nila, hindi man lang guys makaantay, nagpapapalit pa ako, sumisingit na, nainis ako, pinagsabihan ko, parang like, magantay ka ng turn mo, hay nako, minsan talaga na may mga tao, yung ugali, nakakainis. So, andito naman. So, anyways guys, ayan, sa mga mahilig mag-shopping dyan, Platinum, ayan o. Anyways guys, andito na kami sa favorite na floor ni Austin. Yung floor ng mga pagkain. Ayan. So ayan guys, a lot of the places dito, if you go sa food hall nila sa mall, merong kiosk na ganun, so you pay first. At bibigyan kayo ng card. Yung card na yon, andoon yung amount ng binigay ninyo. Tapos, yun yung gagamitin nyo to buy food. Tapos, after kayong bumili ng food, tapos kayo kumain, you can give them back the card and then ibibigay nila sa inyo yung remaining balance. So, at least alam niyo na pag pumunta kayo dito. Pero may mga ibang stalls Like, ito sa gitna na to, they take cash. Ayan, so ito yung mga food dito guys, and a lot of them are like Michelin rated, may mga award to. Ang sasarap talaga, especially sana yung favorite kong pad thai also. So this is not it. So anyways guys, I'm sure napakita ko na sa inyo to sa last vlog ko. So I just wanted to show you guys again what it looks like. Ayan. Tapos yung pharmacy dun sa dulo. That's where we buy yung mga inhalers namin. Ayan. Austin, I wanna buy yung pad thai. Yung pad thai ko. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming with us. And wala, ito lang, chill lang. Kasi pagod kami, so we're just eating here today. Tapos bukas na kami mamamasyal. Uy, ano yan? Kasi pata. Bilhin mo kaya yan, Austin. 200 lang, oh. Just buy the small one. Yan. So anyways, guys. Thank you for watching again. And then, bukas na kami talaga mamamasyal. So ngayon, parang quick meal lang kami and konting shopping. And then, go back sa hotel and rest. Kasi napapagod na kami. Iba na talaga guys, ano, pag mag-travel ka ng may edad na. It's not like before na, sige, go, non-stop. Ngayon, it's like, ano, pag nag-travel ka, kailangan mo mag-recuperate. No? So, yeah, I wanna try. Sige guys, I'm gonna get the crispy pata. Ito guys pala, ang favorite ng pad thai place ko dito sa Thailand. I've tasted a lot of pad thai, pero ito, ang sarap talaga ng pad thai nila. So when you order pad thai, hindi siya orange. Ang totoong kulay talaga ng pad thai, it's more like it's clear. So ayan. And then they have like little coconut cupcakes there. Ayan guys, order tayo ng pad thai. So guys, our first dinner for the night, we ordered that small crispy pata and then the shrimp pad thai and then another shrimp pad thai for Austin and then what's just a goang for crispy chicken and rice with the tea. So ayan, our first dinner. Austin, are you excited to eat? He's all tired. Sige guys, kain na muna kami. Bye!